Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Old way won't open new doors. No matter the situation, never let your emotion overpower your intelligence. You don't need to be pretty like her. You can be pretty like you. A self that goes on changing is a self that goes on living. I am always doing that which I cannot do in order that I may learn how to do it. I love the smell of fresh ambition in the morning. Break up with your inner critic. When you start seeing what you are worth, you will find it harder to stay around people who don't. Love is the bridge between you and everything. You have got to do your own growing, no matter how old your grandfather was or is. The best project you will ever work on is you. The greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. You are a diamond, dear. They cannot break you. The only thing I am committed to right now is bettering myself. Silence is a source of great strength. I am going to make a very beautiful life for myself, no matter what it takes. Love is how you earn your wings. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any